Hello, my young artist pals. It's your buddy Teddy here, and today we're going to learn how to draw Deadpool. Let's get started on this exciting drawing adventure. To begin, let's draw a circle right in the middle for Deadpool's belt buckle. Then, make sure to put his special logo right inside the circle. Great job! Next, draw a rectangle shape around the circle we just made. This will be where Deadpool keeps his cool stuff, like his gadgets. Inside the rectangle, let's add some pockets, those come in handy. Time to give Deadpool some legs. Draw his legs extending down. And don't forget to add the covers for his guns on each side. He's ready for action. Now, let's move on to his body. Starting from the belt, draw 2 lines going up. Then, make 2 more slanted lines for the cover of his sword. How awesome is that? Inside the torso, add his unique pattern to make him stand out even more. Alrighty, let's tackle his arms. Draw his right arm first. And then for his left arm, sketch his hand holding a sword tightly. He means business. Heading up to his head, let's create the shape of a horizontal bracket for his chin. Then, connect the lines above with a kind of curvy U-shape. Looking good. For his eyes, draw a curved line in the middle and put eyes on both sides. Add a little mouth below and his signature black shape around his eyes. Don't forget those final touches to complete his face. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this tutorial, remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and subscribe for more creative fun. I'll be back before you know it. Until then, keep on drawing and stay super happy.